Ryan with Miss.Geek here, and in this video, I've taken the SI5351A board that I got from QRP Labs that I built in the previous video, and I put together this board, and along with this 16x2 display and a rotary encoder. And this board is just a basic. This is the W7RLF VFO board, and I think I got 5 or 10 of them, and I decided to use this. There's a 7812 or 7805 regulator here, and then the actual radio will be powered through a connection to the 12-volt bus over here. Anyway, so that's where that's coming from. But you probably want to see it working and know that it actually works. And so I've got my power supply here, some fresh batteries, and let's plug it in. I guess it probably would be easier to wire up a power switch for demonstration purposes, but let's go ahead and plug it in and take a look here. GM4 CID. Thank you, GM4 CID, for this sketch. I had some trouble with it at first because well, I'll show you here. So I've got my new oscilloscope set up here, and I calibrated it and everything, and it's showing me a frequency of 7.027029. It's pretty close. It doesn't actually get like dead on, and I don't know if that's an adjustment I need to make or what, but the board is putting out 7023, and it's reading that. Not a big deal. It's good enough for the girls I date, right? So, so it works. It's doing its job. But initially, this was outputting in like 7.5, 7.6 megahertz, and I couldn't figure out why until I realized that the sketch was set up for a 25 megahertz crystal, and this is a 27 megahertz crystal. So I had to adjust that. But it works. The next thing to do is going to be integrate this into this board, and we'll have a working radio. Now, that's going to take a little while because I need an antenna. This thing is set up for 40 meters right now, but I'm going to try to make a general coverage receiver out of it. We'll see if I need to like filter out AM, broadcast band, or if I want to filter, maybe put 2 filters in a row, a 2 megahertz roof filter, a 2 megahertz filter, or it's basically it's not a roofing filter, basically a low pass filter, or no, a high pass filter of 2 megahertz and a low pass filter of 30 megahertz. So that would cut out just everything from 2 to 30 megahertz, or everything except 2 to 30 megahertz. Because it'd be nice to have a general coverage receiver. And that's a thing every shack needs. And I actually have that in other radios, but this would be like a dedicated. And you'll find that direct conversion receivers just have a different quality about them. And you hear the signal unfiltered, which is pretty cool. It's pretty neat. So that's where we're at with this project. Finally got the VFO up tonight. For those of you who have been following it, thank you so much for your patience. It's really significantly appreciated. I've seen my subscriber count go steadily up, just a few a month or whatever, but that's a lot to me. We're pushing 1,200 subscribers right now, which I never thought this channel would get even this big. And this isn't big at all compared to what many are, but it's significant to me. And I know there's other channels cranking out a lot more videos that have a few hundred subscribers or whatever, or even less, and they work hard to get to these numbers, and I appreciate their hard work, and I appreciate the subscribers and everybody who's followed along throughout the years. So just thank you. Well, that's it for this video. I'm hoping to get an antenna up this week, and then once I have an antenna that works on 40 meters, or more, we'll see. Once I have something up, I will get this finished, and we'll listen to some on-air signals. Thanks for watching. 73.